When you are in the process of creating a new page, a new post, or just a simple section, free Elementor templates are useful resources for your WordPress website. Instead of creating that page from scratch, piece by piece, you can import a template related to what your page is about. Then you can customize it with Elementor. If you want a full website and don't have time to create all the pages from scratch, I have something to show you. Install Neve. Go to the site library and look up for the demo you like. These are ready-made websites that you can import and edit with Elementor for restaurant, charity, vet center, doctors, architecture, fitness, vacation rental, music band, wedding, video blog, music teacher, vintage, photography, energy panels, lawyers, freelancers, shop and travel agency as well. Once you have decided which one is for you, click on Preview and then import the entire demo. During the process, you receive the content like text and images, customizer settings, widgets, and you also get 2 plugins, OrbitFox by Tmile and the free version of Elementor Page Builder. OrbitFox is a great tool to extend your website functionalities with things like Elementor widgets and a template library with resources for sections like contact and pricing. Also, you can create one-page websites like this with just a couple of clicks, and then you can change the content as needed. Remember to use the Elementor widgets provided by OrbitFox for pieces of content like post type grid, pricing table, services, contact form, newsletter form, and registration form. More awesome widgets can be activated by using the Neve Pro add-on. You will be able to use the flip card, the review box, share buttons, and the nicely animated typed headline. If you need instruction on how to use these widgets or how to customize the demos in the site library, leave a comment below and I will make that video for you. Would you like to combine sections from different page templates? Well, you can save the section you want as a template. Then reuse it whenever you want. Name it as you want, click Save, and then just insert that template into any other page when you edit that page with Elementor. Also, you can export templates and import them on other websites. This way, you'll never have to create a section from scratch when working on new projects. You can still use the page templates and blocks of Elementor, but with the demos of Neve, you get a fully working website in no time. The blocks of Elementor can be used for sections like About Us, Contact, Services, Testimonials, Call to Action, and so on. For sections like Archive, Header, and Footer, you need to get Elementor Pro. But if you want to get full control over the header and footer area of your website, within the theme settings, you can access through the customizer, try out the header and footer builder of Neve. It will help you build headers like never before, with drag and drop functionality, lots of layout settings and customizations, and components like search form, buttons, HTML, social icons, and so on. Moreover, you will be able to build separate headers for desktop and mobile users. That's so cool, right? With that being said, I'm ready to answer any question you may have in the comment section below. Keep up the good work and check out other videos on our channel about WordPress and Tmile products. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss any future videos we publish. See you in the next one. Cheers!